statement date, payment due date, account number, current balance, minimum payment, credit limit.
Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. So I've just received my credit card statement here. We see here there are a lot of terms. So today we're going to unpack what are the terms and how to read a credit card statement. And before we continue, hit the like button and subscribe to this channel. So this sample credit card statement is by Maybank. In other credit card statements by other banks, the credit card terms should be about the same, just that the format and layout will be slightly different. So here in this credit card statement, on the top right here we have the statement date or tarikh penyata. And then next to it we have the payment due date or tarikh akhir pembayaran. So for this credit card, the statement date is on the 21st of December. So let's say 21st December 2022. On every 21st of the month, you receive the credit card statement from the bank. Then the payment due date, so here is 10th of January. So for example, on the 21st of every month, you receive the credit card statement. Then by the 10th of every month, you have to pay your credit card. If not, you'll be charged a late payment fee. Then moving on to the row below, where we have account number, current balance, minimum payment, and amount to be paid. Or nombor account, baki semasa, bayaran minima, and amount dibayar. So the account number is the same number as your credit card number as you see on your card here. Then you have your current balance. So for example, let's say there's a spending of 500 ringgit in December. So there's a 500 ringgit current balance, and then there's the minimum payment. So the minimum payment will be 25 ringgit. If you spend only 100 ringgit, so the current balance as of 21st of the month will be 100 ringgit. Then the minimum payment, even though 5% is 5 ringgit, you'll still be charged 25 or 50 ringgit minimum payment depending on your credit card. Then we go down below to the next table. So we have here posting date, transaction description, and amount. So in transaction date, you see here the date of the transaction and then the transaction description. And in this column, we have here the credit card name and then your credit limit. The combined credit limit, let's say, is 10,000. So in a month, you can only spend up to 10,000 ringgit. For credit card overseas spending, so for example, if you renew an online subscription like your WordPress plan or bought things in an online overseas retail, in your credit card statement on the side, there'll be ringgit, MYR denomination, and US. Or if you bought anything in Singapore, it'll be in SGD and other currencies if you bought other things overseas in other countries. Then moving down below, we have the total credit and total debit this month. So the total debit will be the total amount that you spend with the credit card, and the total credit will be the total amount that you pay back to the credit card company in the form of your minimum payment and any additional cashback that you earn with your credit card. Then the next page here, it shows the amount of treats points or reward points that you earn. So whether it's Maybank or any other bank, they will also show you the amount of reward points that you earn in the month and the consecutive months before with your credit card. So here it shows your credit card number, previous points earned, current points earned, points used, points adjusted, and current points. And what you want to take note is that even though you have a lot of reward points, the reward points are not forever. The reward points have expiry. So as we see here in the table, even though it's all zero for the credit cards and the reward points, as you use it throughout the months and the year, you notice that come to certain months, the reward points will expire. And for Maybank cards, you can use it in Apple Wallet and with Apple Pay. So I did a video previously on how to add Maybank cards, whether it's credit cards or debit cards, to Apple Wallet. I'll put the links above and below to the tutorial videos on how to add those cards in Apple Wallet. So that's it in today's video on what we need to know on credit cards. And if you like what you learned in today's video, don't forget to share it with your friends and family, and like this video and subscribe to this channel below to stay tuned for more real estate, investment, finance, and home tips.